Hi guys, this is Selena Sensei once again. How are you doing? Are you good? Well, I'm good. It's summer time here in Japan and it's summer vacation, so I don't have class and I have ample of time to do vlogs as many as I would like to. And in this vlog, for a change, I want to do an acapella, of course with Nihongo. I'm going to sing a song, acapella type with Nihongo translation. Okay, let's do it. When you're down and troubled and you need some loving care and nothing is going right, close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest hour. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running, to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there. Yes, I will. You've got a friend. Oh, you've got a friend. Oh, one more time. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there. Yes, I will. You've got a friend. You've got a friend. Oh, you've got a friend. Yeah, you've got a friend. What an I. Okay, that's all. Thank you. So guys, how was that? That would be another type of my tutorial in Nihongo. I love singing and I'll do more vlogs, different kinds of vlogs, of course with Nihongo tutorials. Okay guys, that is for today and thank you for watching and I hope you learned something. Thank you. Bye.